Fashion motherfuckers. MFs, mofos, fashion motherfuckers. Nagkalat pa rin kung saan-saan at ngayon nasa BGC sila. Nagkakalat pa din. From wearing to polo, neckties, and skirts, ngayon nalaos na, naging youngstana na. Or meron pa rin naman fashion people na ganito pero hindi na skirt kasi natakot siguro matawagan na triple B. And since they're doing all of this in BGC, of course, inevitable yung magkakaroon sila ng hate by classist people. They're gonna nitpick on their fashion, and not even fashion, it's just them being
Squammy.
since they're gonna nitpick on their fashion, let's do them first. Ano suot nila? Old money. Street fashion instead of them wearing the clothes.
It's the clothes wearing them.
If this is you, you can't think that other outfits are inferior. Wala naman tayong originality. Even I don't have originality. I have jeans and boots. I'm pretty sure this is a Western thing. Since wala na si Kel the Great, wala na nag-guide sa mga fashion motherfuckers, I don't think it's gonna be Stephen or Rafi. They're just doing lifestyle videos or involving fashion. So if it's not them, who? Well,
You're looking at him right now.
I'm kidding, that's stupid, but ito yung goal ng channel na to. And this is the first video. It's to achieve aesthetic while being frugal. I'm not gonna copy him or whatever, but it is gonna be the gist of the channel. The channel is gonna involve all the performative things. I might post music reviews, of course, primarily fashion, perfumes. These are my credentials. Basta whatever is performative. I do have a main channel, but this is a secondary channel. If you like what you see, you might like my main channel, which is this. But MKZev,
Bakit ikaw ang dapat namin piliin?
well, first of all, I'm broke. Second, I'm chopped. I know I have looks, but still not conventionally attractive. I'm the perfect candidate.
I'm a bit fat.
And I don't know much about fashion, but I do have an eye for it, which means I know what can be good or not. So if you want to see me yap about stuff on performative things, you should probably subscribe. And you should probably watch my next video, which is uploaded now as well. Hey, I gotta go. Nakasalang pa yung hagdan sa kalan.